Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. To join our channels, you can just click on the link in description. So today is 20th November and I will explain you all the trades we took on our channels. Here you can just check out. The first signal was for odd USD 5 minutes down. This was a very good one. Yeah, so this trade was given for the downside at 410. In this trade, odd USD formed a candle that fully filled the previous wick and rejected from the resistance level. I've marked the resistance level, and this was indicating that sellers are gaining the power. So this was our confirmed trade for the downside, and we just took a downside trade here, and this was a very good win. Amazing one right there. You can just check out. The next signal was for odd USD 5 minutes down. This was also a very good win. The trade was given for the downside at 415. In this trade, odd USD created a strong bearish candle that engulfed the previous candle at the resistance level. This was showing the seller's pressure, and that was a confirmation to take this as a downside trade. Our entry was good, and that was an amazing win. You can just check out for the downside. Like if your entries are good, you can just win almost every trade. Like if you just put a best entry on your trades, even entries can make you win sometimes. So the next signal was for odd USD 5 minutes down. This trade was given at 420 for the downside. In this trade, odd USD showed a continuity pattern at the resistance level, indicating that the trend was continuing to the downside from the zone, and this was our sign to take this as a down trade. And this was an amazing win. Continuity pattern plus resistance level was there. We just won this trade. Amazing. The next trade was for odd USD 5 minutes down. Here you can just check out. This was also a very good win. Trade was given for the downside at 425. And this odd USD formed a bearish candle exactly at the resistance level, confirming that sellers are gaining the dominance, and that was our sign to take this as a down trade right there. And this was also an amazing win. You can just check out. So that's our trades for today. Amazing win right there for our USD. We just killed it on only one chart. Amazing. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.